So this is a quick how-to video of syncing your Flipgrid account into your Canvas account if you are a teacher, okay? We will try to make this as quick and as efficient as possible. So if you haven't already made a Flipgrid account, you can do so by typing in Google Flipgrid and then creating an educator sign-in login account. Then once you do that, this should be your home screen, okay? If you click on My Grids. So as you can see that, I already have 2 grids made up that I'm currently using. And what you will need to do is add a new grid. And for our purposes, we will type in test grid. And once you get your title of what you want your class to be called, you need to click on one of these 3 options. Now, my first time going through this, I clicked this bottom one, and my students weren't able to access it. So I went back and clicked school email. And since that we are putting this in Canvas, kids are already using their student email, their school email. So this should work for them to automatically access it. So click on school email and then click on next. Once you click on next, you need to type in your own email. Okay, mine is already in there. So they already have my school's email ready to go. Once you do that, you can click on next. And then you can go to your grid. Now, once you get into your grid and you want to either create a new topic in Flipgrid, or what I suggest is you wait until we sync it up into Canvas. Okay, so once we make a grid, you go into Canvas, and I am using this one because my other classes are already synced up with Flipgrid. And once you sync it up one time, you don't need to do it again. So the first thing you need to do once you are in Canvas is you need to scroll down into settings. And in settings, you need to work your way over to this app section up on the top. So again, this is your course details. Your page is probably looking like this right now if you're keeping up. And then once you are here, you need to click on app. And then in this search bar, you need to type in Flipgrid. Flipgrid, and you don't even need to type in the whole thing. Then you click on the Flipgrid bar, and then you can click add the app. Now, once the button has been clicked to add the app, you will have a consumer key and a shared secret key that Canvas is looking for. So how you find that is you go back into Flipgrid and you go up to your name, click the down arrow, and the second one will say integrations. Okay. Now when you click on integrations, the consumer and shared secret key will pop up. Now this is for your entire Flipgrid account. Okay, so it's not for each individual Flipgrid class. This is for your entire Flipgrid account yourself, and we'll explain that to you in a little bit. But anyways, you copy the consumer key, paste it, and then you also copy the shared secret and you paste it. And once you have that accomplished, click add the app, and the app is added successfully. All right. Now, what you'll need to do is you'll have to go up here into the app configurations now. Go to Flipgrid, find Flipgrid, and click on the settings. Click edit. And I want you to copy and paste, just copy right now. Just copy this URL code. Okay. Just strictly copy it, save it for later. You can exit out of here, go to home. And now when you are on your home page, you can click on assignments, or you could have just went strictly to assignments, I suppose. And now let's add a Flipgrid video assignment to our Canvas page. So we're going to click add assignment, and we'll just title it Flipgrid. And right here is where you would put all of your instructions for the expectations for the video for your students. Can put your points down, as I'm sure you know. And then this is the most important part. This is how we get it connected here. This is how we get it synced up. Is you will click external tool by the submission type. And now you will right click what you just copied from that Flipgrid URL. You'll find it and it pops right up on your Flipgrid. All right. It's in alphabetical order, so it should be relatively easy to find. So you click Flipgrid, you select it, and now we should be good to go as long as we save it. And when you create an assignment using Flipgrid in Canvas, your Flipgrid assignment in your Flipgrid page automatically comes up as what you title it in Canvas. So I'll show you in a quick second. So out of the Flipgrid classes that I have, we will use this one since this is the one that I just created. And we will connect. And it should now be ready to go. Okay, so if we go over to our Flipgrid account and go back to my grids, we will have a test grid here. That's our class. And Flipgrid is the assignment that I just created in Canvas. Okay, so students should be ready to go as long as they have a Canvas or are enrolled in your Canvas account. Okay, they should not need a Flipgrid account. They shouldn't need a Flipgrid login. So just a quick insurance here. Let's be sure that this is actually working. So we are going to go home and we can go to assignments and let's publish this one. All right, let's publish this assignment. And then let's go to student view. Oh, we need to publish this class first. Okay, we need to publish this class first, and then we should be able to go to student view. So this is what the kids are now seeing when they log into Canvas, and they go to your classroom's page. So they see that there's an assignment that is due, that needs to be accomplished. So they'll click on it, and all they'll need to do for students is to scroll down, and they should see this big green button. Okay. Now, one thing I'm noticing is that as a teacher, especially if you're just starting off, you will probably want to moderate this. Okay, the videos that the students upload. Okay, so how we accomplish that is in the assignment. You have to do this for every assignment, I believe, that we just created. You need to edit the topic by clicking on that pencil and scrolling all the way down. You need to click video moderation. Okay, so that way when students upload a video, only you yourself, the teacher, will be able to see the video. Okay, then once that happens, if you want, you can be able to have students access each other's videos depending on what type of activity you may or may not be doing. But that's for you to mess around with and learn exactly how to do that on your own time. Don't want to waste your time here doing that. So let's just see if this worked. Actually, we need to go back and update the topic. Okay, and now if we refresh this page, it should say, when we scroll down to the green button, moderated. Boom, perfect. All right, so if a kid wants to do the assignment, they click on this green button, and there they are. Okay, there I am. So when they are ready to record, they will press the red camera. And then when they are ready to be done, they press pause. If they feel like they've met all of the requirements, they press next. Camera. Then they can edit it here. Okay, they can grab and take away. if they want to shorten it, lengthen it, whatever. Okay. When they're done, they confirm it. And next, take a screenshot of maybe them and, like, for me, my favorite hockey team. Okay. And then next, now as a student, I always encourage them to put their name in. Okay. Because that way when we upload it, we know exactly who it is, even if they decided not to give us their face for their screenshot. So the student just did it real quickly. And now if we go to our grids, go to our class and the assignment, we should have one video. And as a teacher, right, we're back in Flipgrid, we can click on that video. And then when they are ready to be done, and there we go. All right. In the settings, you can give different points for, you can change your rubric if you want. This one is just automated one. It's out of 10. And then if you want, you can give them a video feedback via email. All right. You can talk to them like this. Or, oh, I forgot to record. And then, or you can type a response to their video. All right. Like, great work, stellar. All right. Anything like that. Obviously, it can be more elaborate. But now that you know how to connect it with Flipgrid, Canvas with Flipgrid, now it's up to you to go into any of the settings for your own class in Flipgrid. You can change the amount of time that kids can upload from 15 seconds to 10 minutes. All right. This can be another little place that you put in any details for instructions. And if you want, you can upload your own video. All right. So again, take a look at this. This seems to be like a pretty sweet and very educational tool, especially for the distance learning adventure that all of us are going through. So I hope that helped.